Hello, YouTube. Welcome back to Learning Life and Loving Radio Scanners. Hello, everybody. Welcome to the calm before the storm. And I got to let everybody know we got to be careful on this. Like right now, you guys, right now is your preparation time. So so this is a couple tips that I have for you guys right now. This is my top 5 winter weather tips. So so the first winter weather tip is to make sure your gas tanks are filled and ready. Number 2 is to make sure you guys have a backup plan whenever the storm whenever you guys lose power. And if you guys as soon as you guys lose power, make sure you guys contact this is the biggest thing. Make sure you guys contact the national letters um, the your local power companies, because by all means, looking at your local power settings, it is honestly the biggest thing. Now turn you guys around. This right here is WLKY. You guys can find this on YouTube. So another thing is to let you guys know, this thing is right now in Kansas City, and I was looking at the stuff from the Kansas City map, and I gotta tell you guys something. Kansas City right now is looking so ugly. So so it looks like you guys already got um, snow plows going out right now. I see one is on I-65. So just to give everybody a heads up. Now they also got one on, they don't got any in the Seymour district, but they got ones in Indianapolis, and I gotta tell you guys something. So so they got right now. Turn you guys around. This is where the black ice is right now on I-65 and Georgetown Road Bridge over I-65. That right there is pretty much the biggest thing that I've been seeing all over the map. You guys also got this I-65 at the 11.3 Market Street to I-65 is the weather station reporting black ice. You guys also got, which I feel really proud of, is the Indianapolis International Airport. You guys has been working tirelessly the last couple of days, which is, so you see Old State Road 37 in both directions are closed. So you guys are going to have to take I-69 at Harding Street. Now I'm going to be quiet so we can see this. So 3 to 4 p.m. is what they're sounding. So this is what the winter weather alerts look like. So you see Lawrence on there, and then all around there, that is all Indiana up top. And on the bottom is Kentucky. And this is the storm right here, you guys. So you see that storm? That's the storm that's heading our way right now. So that low is the main problem right now. This winter storm is really big, you guys. So a couple of other tips that I recommend is making sure you guys are watching your weather channel. You guys are watching your AccuWeather, Weather Nation, any local weather stations that could tell you guys the right weather forecast is crucial. So turn you guys around. This is at 6 a.m. Okay. So watch. This is at 10 a.m. Bedford's starting to get snow. North Vernon, Madison, Carrollton, Charleston, Corden, all with snow. And then 1 p.m. we got snow. So there's some pink down there in southern Kentucky. Now, a sleet and freezing rain is about at 4:30. And so far, the 4:30 area looks like it's for English, a little bit of Paoli, not much in Lawrence County yet. So, Lawrence County, you guys are good on that right now. But 9 o'clock, you guys are getting some pretty purple ones going up right now. Looks like Davies County, Martin County, Lawrence, Paoli. That huge shed is, I gotta tell you guys something. This is my first time on YouTube telling you guys that this right here could get really ugly. So, what I recommend is everybody follow your storm protection radios. If you guys don't got a storm protection plan, make sure you guys got it and make sure you guys are following through on it because without a doubt this storm could be one of the biggest storms that I am seeing on here. Now, another thing is, so so this right here is from WTHR. This is like our local area channel. So, not that. That's Liberty Mutual. And I gotta tell you guys something. I am getting tired of with Liberty Mutual. Just give me a minute. When this starts, I'll let you guys know. So this right here is WTHR's forecast. So this is what the future cast of Future Track 13's looking like right now. So far, so far, all of the local churches are canceled. So far, all of Lawrence County, my church is canceled. Maybe Spencer's, I don't know. But everybody, if you guys, I don't recommend you guys getting out in this because this is getting pretty serious. So that right there is like what the snow thing looks like at 10 a.m. It is completely covering Indianapolis up north and down toward my area. So then after that, there's going to be a sleep mixer around 2 o'clock. So Lindsay and this guy Matt are going to be on WTHR for anybody that is in Lawrence County. So this is for 24 hours. For 6 period hours snow under a 24-hour period. It's easy to shovel and easy to slip. So everybody make sure you guys use your ping one. Like if you guys get close to snow, make sure to walk like a penguin. So this is what Indianapolis is looking like right now. So this is right now in Indianapolis, 22, dew point 10, humidity 60%. And right now, in my area, it is 25, Bloomington 25, Richmond 19, and Terre Haute 25. This is what the map looks like right now. The snow is right almost near St. Louis. Low to moderate impacts. 6 to 7, 8, 9 inches. That's what they're saying. Brown County's up a foot. So you see, all that snow is heading our way. This is getting super. So let's do a little bit of like a little bit of visible on like what we just talked about, you guys. So the first thing that I'm wanting to say is that everybody should take your perimeter measures. And if you guys go to my church, John will have a message at 9:15 a.m. And also, this right here, that snow is for so these are the impacts. Sunday mid morning to Monday mid morning, heaviest Sunday from 4 to 9 p.m. Impact is 2 to 10 inches of snow, covered roadways, windy after sunset, extra travel time, emergency supplies in vehicles. So, wet snow, heavy snow, really heavy. So, this right, so you see extra travel time, emergency supplies in vehicles, covered roads, windy after sunset. So, pretty extra travel time, emergency supplies in vehicle. The wind threat is actively growing. We could see 40 per hour winds. Three hours of 45-mile per inch. So you see on here, this is how it plays out. 6 a.m. Vincent Davies. Light snow. Cloudy. One last time going to the store. 10 a.m. Bedford Southern Bedford, Mitchell is getting pretty heavy snow. Martin County and a little bit of that area is getting some pretty heavy snow. So this right here is at 1 o'clock. So far, Bloomington, Columbus, Seymour, Bedford, and Shelbyville. My viewers up there in Indianapolis. So right now at 23 and 25. So Bedford, you guys are still a little bit warmer than Bloomington. So that right there was like at 8 o'clock. We got a big blue, pink, nine to 10 hours. Winds are going down here. The wet to snow ratio is going on Monday at midnight. Wind gusts are going to be over 35 plus miles per hour. So you guys see like what we're talking about on this. Alright guys, have a great day. I will try to put some video out tomorrow on the storm. Everybody be safe out there, and I will see you guys back here tomorrow.